Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time clicking on my video and seeing this beautiful wonderful face, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. So let's get this show on the road.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
Okay, so by the title you know what we'll be doing. Today I'm going to be making a trendy recipe that I see circulating on the internet. It's called cloud bread. You heard it right, cloud bread. As the name sounds, it's like cloud, soft as pillow, fluffy, and yeah, what more can I say? I saw this video on a YouTube channel called Emmy Made in Japan, so I'll link her video down in the description box if you want to find out more information. From what I observe or what I've heard, she got this recipe from somebody else's channel, so you know it's a thing circulating around and I had to try it. Like, come on, why not? That this is my niche. You know, all you need is 3 key ingredients. All you need are egg whites and sugar and cornstarch. So it's basically my usual meringue cookies that I love to do on this channel, but the only difference is instead you use cornstarch, so that's what gives its texture, soft like cake consistency. I don't know if I'm making any sense right here, but you know what I'm trying to say. So enough rambling, let's get this show on the road. I don't know why I always do that. I mean, what do I like? So to start off this recipe, we're going to be needing 3 eggs, well, egg whites that is. So what I'm going to do now is separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and get to the other ingredient. Okay, so when doing this, it's good to have 2 bowls, so you can put the egg white in one and the egg yolk in the other. I'm going to put the egg white in the last bowl, of course, first, so you guys can have a good view of what's going on. So me whoop them 3 egg here come out right. I'm gonna put an egg yolk in it, because if the egg yolk go into the egg whites, it's finished for me. Like, I can't do this, and these are the only 3 eggs I have left, and I'm not going down no shop today. Don't feel like it, so it better do. Sorry if I'm looking over this side, I don't know why. I have on a small ring light on the camera, so it's kind of like too bright for my eyes. So please bear with me guys if you see me looking over this side instead of over here where the actual camera is. Please, I apologize for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna start off cracking my eggs, separating the whites from the yolk. Oh, I'm going good so far. Don't want the egg yolk to touch the white as it won't whip up. So I can just put this inside here and start on the other one. Oh, got some really dropped there, so. Oh shoot, I was like,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I was like, you can't do that to me, Eggy.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So now that we have our 3 egg whites, I'm gonna set this to the side and start the measurement for the cornstarch and the white or granulated sugar. It's better to use the measuring scale when doing so. I have a video up on my channel where I show the different baking tools and equipment you'll need if you're going to be a starter baker or beginner baker. So this is one of the items that I showed. If you want to check that video out and see more items you'll need if you're interested in baking or just like in the kitchen or just want to watch the video will be at the top right hand corner of the screen. So yeah, click on that and go and check it out when this video is finished. So yeah, so I'm gonna use my scale, of course, to get the measurement correct, because I feel like measuring spoons can only do so much. Like, it's not totally accurate as the scale, so I prefer to go with the accuracy. So according to the recipe, we want 30 grams of a white or granulated sugar, which I have in my bag here. So turn on my scale. Don't know if you guys are seeing it, but yeah, that's why I turn it like this. So this is milliliter. Going to look for grams. Okay, we're on grams now. So first things first, put it on 0. Make sure the container that you're using is on the scale already, and you just left it on 0. So when it's time to pour out whatever you're going to use, it's very accurate. Okay. Okay, 30 grams. 3. That's 13. 28, 30, right measurement. So I don't have to go any further. So I'm using this small little cup since it's not a lot of ingredients. I'm gonna go back, put it on 0. I'll just have my scale because some of the sugar spilled. Turn it to me this time around. And I think it's the same 30 grams for the cornstarch. Let me check back the recipe here. Oh, it's 10 grams, my bad. For me to buy, I'm gonna put 30 grams of cornstarch. Yeah, so this is the cornstarch that I use. K-brand, you guys wanna sponsor me? That's 4. Some more. That rhymes. 6. That's 10. Okay, so that's 10 grams of cornstarch. I'm gonna put these down. Okay, so I'm gonna put away my ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna do this using my hand mixer. So I'm just gonna put on the paddle attachment onto it. That's what it's called, the whisk attachment to it. I think you can do this by hand, but I don't have those type of, I don't want those type of workout right now, so I can do without it for now. Okay, you guys know it goes already when it comes on to me doing this. Once it's foamy like this, you take your white sugar and sprinkle it a little at a time. I'm sweating. Sweating.
Okay.
So now for the cornstarch, I'm sorry, the natural light is going down, the sunlight is going down, so you're gonna see it like this. I apologize. Until I get a proper ring light, then yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use some vanilla in it because you know us, especially us black people, we love our spices and so forth. I didn't see any vanilla in this recipe, but it is my recipe, so I can tweak it a bit. Wouldn't you agree? So that's gonna add just like a dollop of my vanilla extract. Should I use like a bit more? I'm gonna use some coloring as well, just a little bit of blue to give it this cloudy sky bluish color. So I'm making some. So I have some coloring here. This is the coloring that I use, the water-based one. If you have the gel one, it's much better than this. So do that. Okay, it forms stiff peaks, so I think it's all ready. And when you hold on the pan, nothing should be coming out. That means it is good to go. So this is it. I'm proud of myself. Okay guys, so I'm sorry it's a bit dark, the rain set up like it's gonna fall right about now. So this is how it looks. On the bottom kind of burned a bit, but never mind. So it came out. Not bad, I might add. So I'm gonna take it off. So now just wanna break into it and see. Look at that guys. And it's a bit sticky, like Emmy said. Ooh. Really remind me of cotton candy. This is what it reminds me of. I'm proud of myself. Let me take a thumbnail. Okay, so just wanna take a bite. Got that. But the outside is sticky. Look at it. Emmy warned me. If you're hearing the noise in the background, my grandaunt is watching a movie. Forgive me for that. I'm just gonna taste it quick and then head on off. Oops, it's just so pillowy. It's just eggy, spongy, like pillow. And top of it, like sponge. That's really what I'm getting. Sponge. Bread like, I guess I can see why they call it bread, but not bread. Can go on, but it won't be something that I would consume a lot, you know, but I would eat a lot. But if you didn't notice, my ears ring them fall out. Oh well. So overall guys, like, I'm gonna do it again, to be honest.